Welcome to the watch receiver installation tutorial. In this episode you'll learn how to set up your bridge and pair it to your watch receiver. So let's get started. If you haven't already started up the bridge, now is the time. Unpack the bridge and remove the battery pull tab to start it. The top LED will begin to breathe in blue. Now, unpack your watch receiver and pocket charger. Then, connect the charging cable to a USB power adapter, or a USB computer port. Attach your watch to the charging dock, making sure that the charging terminals on the back align. Let it charge for at least 15 minutes. Your watch will start automatically. Next, remove your watch from the charger, select your local language, and confirm your choice. Your watch is now ready for pairing. Hold down the bridge top test button until the LEDs start to blink. The bridge will start to search for your watch. Please wait. It can take up to a minute. Your watch will let you know when it has been added to the system. Tap OK to proceed. Your watch is showing the current date and time. If it's not correct, you can set it manually by tapping the pen icon to the left. If the time is right, tap Done to complete the installation. Your watch will return to the watch face, and you are good to go. At this stage, we recommend that you test the connection to the bridge. Press the top test button on the bridge to send a test signal. A message appears on your watch to confirm that it's connected. It's also a good idea to test the connection to your current visit system. Press the bottom test button on the bridge. Your visit receiver starts to sound, flash, or vibrate depending on the type of receiver. If you haven't already installed your bridge, now is the time. Select a central position in your home that is close to a power outlet, and mount it on the wall, using the screw and plug. Connect the USB cable to the power adapter, and plug it into the power outlet. Now you are ready to start to enjoy visit notifications on your new watch.